What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the two secret hidden brooms and the secret spray bottle in cleaning simulators. The spray bottle is, I don't think it's like better than the other spray bottles, but it's still a spray bottle. It's kind of more like an Easter egg, kind of. And the first, I'll show you how to get the spray bottle first. Okay, so here you have to press R, jump up, press R again to stop, go R, go R. Oh my god, I got that. There you go. Never got the first try before. Then you're going to take this. Then you're going to follow this thing. It's going to be, so you're going to go across this thing and you're going to see like an X, like on this side right here somewhere. I'll tell you all. I'll be back to you when I see it. Okay, guys. So, oops. There you go. Okay. So, going across this for a little bit, I found the X. Okay, here it is. So, you're gonna dig, grab it, dig it again, grab it, dig it again, grab it, and then dig it again, and then again, and then. And there it is. Look how fast it runs out. It's really weird. Normally spray bottles don't run out that fast, so that's why I don't really like the spray bottle. But I like that duck over there. If you don't know why, this is why. That's why. Yeah. Here. I'm going to lower the sound a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay, that's better. Okay. I'm thinking it cleans around the same speed as the regular spray bottle, but oh yeah, also lemon. I don't know why. This is something I randomly found last time, and I feel like it sprays the same speed. At least I feel like it does. I'll just leave it in here. Oh wait. Here's this. Fart. Okay, let me show you where the broom is. So the first broom is back here. So you're gonna, there you go, like that. Now, like also it's like by the trampoline, by that guy. Then you're gonna go back to this corner, and then here it is. This thing, it doesn't make you run fast or anything. It makes you clean fast. Like your cleaning speed will go pretty fast. It's like, wait, does this fit through? I know this is so random, but like. That's so weird. There you go. Now I can wipe the sky there. Boing, boing, boing. I'll show you the speed it cleans. Can't open the door with this thing. I'll go in here since I'm gonna probably leave in here. It's really way faster than the other one for sure. I recommend getting this before you start cleaning that thing to get the boss, because it's very helpful. And the other one, the sound of nothing, it's useless. And the other one is back at the garage, around here to the left. By the ducky guy, up here. Golden broom. See, look, it makes you walk way faster. Look. This is without. This is what. It's so much faster. But the problem is it makes you clean slightly slower. See how long that took? That's why. And one more thing. Let's go all the way back. I forgot what the one more thing was. It was an Easter egg. What was the Easter egg? What was the Easter egg? Oh wait, here's a simple one. Just a little Easter egg thing. Okay. K coin. Now I'll get back to you if I can remember what the thing was. Okay. Am I recording? Let me make sure. Okay, good. I didn't remember. Because I'm a doofus. Oh, yeah, I remember. It's up here. You gotta roll go all the way to big forks. And oof. Oh look, a back door. Oh, that's not what I was showing. The thing that I was showing is that's tape. This tape is amazing. It's the We Like Pizza sequel, but there's no We Like Pizza. There's no annoying stuff. We like pizza. Is there a restaurant literally right next to this building? Oh look, I'm back. Let me show you what it sounds like. Ooh. And I want to show you one more thing after this, and then I guess that's the end. It's good. That's it. But this is the really cool thing. You take this can, and if you drink it, you'll get slightly hyper, and look how fast I'm going now. And when it wears off, I go slow. It's cool because like you could like take this with you, get hyper, and go. And if you guys want to try it out yourselves, you can try drinking a can of this, and then using the golden broom, you could try it out for yourself, or you could just watch me do it right now. So I'm gonna go here and drink it, then read it away. Oh my god, look how fast this is. Holy cow. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Comment down below what video you want me to make next. And Shane, because like we've been getting like no comments on like recommendations. So like literally any one of you, if you have a recommendation, we'll probably play it as long as it's appropriate. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Yeah.